Take down. Next, partial payment. So we will do now partial payment. We raised invoice of 5 lakhs, no? The other day. Now from that 5 lakh we will pay some amount. Continuation of the last class. So we have to do now 8th step. We are going to do now 8th step, which is nothing but partial payment. So whatever 5 lakhs invoice we raised, for that 5 lakhs, from that 5 lakhs, we will pay 1 lakh. Partial payment. So from our bank, we will pay towards rent payable. So what's the T code? Give document date. Type essay. Company code. Document date. Type essay. Company code. Period. Currency. Bank data. Bank data. So we are going to select our bank. Press F4 and select your bank account. So from 5 lakh, I am paying 1 lakh. Being, can I pay 1 lakh or I should pay only 2.5 lakh? 1 lakh also I can pay. Partial means not only half. Any half you can pay. Open item selection. Open item selection. Press F4 and select your which account? Rent payable account. Why there is no rent payable? మీ కంపెనీ కోడ్ ఏంటి? ఓహో, we did in CRO నా. శివ గారు, మనం ఈ డేటా మొత్తం మీ కంపెనీ కోడ్ లో చేసాం కదా.
అవునండి, కాంప్టన్ అని పెట్టాం కదా.
అదే మనది అనుకో దాంట్లో చూపించట్లేదు.
అదే కాంప్టన్ అనేది దాని మీద చేసాం మేడం.
ఓకే. Document date, type essay, company code, period, currency, bank. How much amount? 1 lakh. Text being partial payment paid. You can write partial payment made. Rent payable. Click on process open items. Click on process open items. Click on process open items. So when you click on process open items, it will show you like this. So you are doing standard payment now. So you have to click on standard tab. Click on standard tab. Click on standard tab. Oh, I'm sorry. Click on partial payment tab. Oh, you're very good. Everyone is concentrating. Click on partial payment tab. Double click on. So it will show you. Here it will show you remaining balance. But what is our rule? That not assigned should be equal to 0. Then only you can save the data. So here it will show you the partial amount. Now what is amount entered? What is amount assigned? Amount assigned is nothing but your total invoice amount. Amount entered is nothing but what amount you are paying now. Okay. So obviously 4 lakh outstanding చూపించాలి. కానీ మన రూల్ ఏంటి? ఆ నాట్ అసైన్ 0 ఉంటేనే సేవ్ చేయగలుగుతాం మనం. దాని కొరకు మనం ఏం చేయాలి అంటే రైట్ double click on the payment amount. Double click on the payment amount. See that not assigned is 0. See that not assigned is 0. Save the data. Double click on the blue line item. So here one line item is there. That is why it is not allowing you to save. So you should go on, double click and check. So rent payable is the line item which is in blue color. Whenever any line item it is showing in blue color, line item in SAP terminology means ledger accounts. So rent payable is ledger only, no? So whenever any ledger showing in blue color, that means it requires text. So you have to update the text, right? Double click on the blue line item. Double click on the blue line item. Give text. Being partial payment made. Being partial payment made. Enter and save. Being partial payment made. Enter and save. What message you got? Document posted and message it to me. Now if you go and see rent payable account, how much balance it has to show? Take down. View the balance. View the balance. Shiva garu ee roju evening pedtanandi link.
మేడం పెట్టండి మేడం, మళ్ళీ సాటర్డే కూడా మిస్ అయింది, నాకు పెండింగ్ పడుతుంది, మళ్ళీ లేట్ అయిపోతుంది. నార్మల్ అయితే
ఓకే ఓకే.
అదే సాటర్డే కూడా అడిగాను కదా మొన్న, సాటర్డే కూడా పెట్టమని.
మీరు కొంచెం బిజీ ఉన్నాయి సాటర్డే అని చెప్పారు కదా లాస్ట్ టైం.
లేదు సాటర్డే లేదండి.
అవునా? పెట్టలేదు సాటర్డే, ఎందుకంటే మీ గణేష్ విసర్జన ఉందేమో అందుకోసం రాలేదు అనుకుంటున్నా.
మీరు పెట్టలేదని నేను లాగిన్ అవ్వలేదు. నేను ఎప్పుడైనా ఒకసారి బయటకు వెళ్తాను కానీ ఎప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఇంటి దగ్గర ఇంట్లోనే ఉంటాను, ల్యాప్టాప్ ముందు కూర్చొని ఉంటాను, చూస్తూ ఉంటాను. ఓకే
సాటర్డే కంపల్సరీ పెడతాం.
ఓకే. ఇవి కూడా మనకి ఒకసారి ఈవినింగ్ క్లాస్ మిస్ అవుతుంది, కొద్దిగా చూడరా అంటే. ఓకే.
వ్యూ ద బ్యాలెన్స్ FBL 3N. Now write down, give your company code. Press F4 and select your rent payable account number. Press F4 and select your rent payable account number. Select all items. Select all items. Select all items. Click on execute. Select all items. Click on execute. Okay. So it is showing you 4 lakhs as outstanding, right? So 5 lakh was the invoice, 1 lakh paid. If you see 1 lakh paid kada, still red color lo chupistundi. Enduku? 1 lakh paid అయిపోయింది కదా, గ్రీన్ కలర్ లో చూపించొచ్చు కదా. Why it is still ఏంటండి?
ఇప్పుడు మేము 4 lakhs చూపిస్తున్నారు, అది మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చెప్పరా, అర్థం కాలేదు.
5 lakhs ఇన్వాయిస్ అమౌంట్, 1 lakh పేమెంట్ చేసాము. సో 4 lakhs అవుట్ స్టాండింగ్ చూపెడుతుంది, రైట్? కానీ 5 lakhs పే చేసాం కాబట్టి ఈ 1 lakh ఇంకా ఎందుకు ఓపెన్ లో చూపెడుతుంది? రెడ్ కలర్, గ్రీన్ కలర్ లో చూపించాలి కదా.
అవునవును.
బికాస్ మీ వాయిస్ చాలా చిన్నగా వినిపిస్తుందండి.
అవునా?
Because why it is showing you red color for 1 lakh is until and unless main invoice is cleared. Main invoice is 5 lakh, right? Until and unless the main
అవును.
invoice is cleared, how much amount you do partial payments, it will show you in red color only. But it will update the balance. Okay. Now
అవును.
last payment we will do. ఆ 4 lakhs అనేది రెసిడ్యుయల్ పేమెంట్ లో చేసేద్దాం. టేక్ డౌన్ రెసిడ్యుయల్ పేమెంట్ F-07 రెసిడ్యుయల్ పేమెంట్ F-07. So remaining 4 lakhs we will pay off in residual payment. Hello. Now let us do this payment. What's the T code? F-07. All the payments we will do in F-07. All the invoices we will raise in F-02. Right down. Give document date. So type should be SA. Company code. Period currency. Company code. Period currency. Bank data. Account bank. Amount. Remaining 4 lakhs we will pay off. Being full and final payment done. Click on process open items. Huh? Oh, sorry. Open item selection account. Open item selection account. Press F4 and select rent payable. Click on process open items. Click on res items tab. Click on res items tab. Because it is last payment, no residual payment. So you have to click on res items tab. See that not assigned is 0. See that not assigned is 0. Save the data. See that not assigned is 0. Save the data. Now how much balance it has to show? 0. Madam, view the balance. FBL 3N. So all the balances we will view in FBL 3N. GL balances. Give company code FBL 3N. Give company code GL account number, rent payable account number, rent payable account number. Select all items. Select all items. Click on execute. Select all items. Click on execute. Always execute shortcut key is F8. Click on execute. F8. Can you see? All changed to green color and even the status is updated as 0. Now. So now we are into the next important module. After GLs, the very most important next module is accounts payable. Okay, very important. Write down new page. Write down first introduction. Introduction. Accounts payable module. Very
మేడం ఉన్నారా? హలో.
ఉన్నానండి, నోట్స్ రాస్తున్నాను.
ఓకే ఓకే, పర్లేదు. ఏమైనా స్టక్ అయింది అనుకున్నాం, మరి ఓకే.
ఏంటండి?
ఏం లేదు మేడం.
స్టక్ అయింది అనుకున్నారా?
అయ్యా.
స్టక్ అయింది అనుకున్నారా మీరు?
అవునండి, అవును.
ఈ రోజు అస్సలు మీ వాయిస్ క్లారిటీ లేదండి. So, what is accounts payable? So, accounts payable is part of your integration, FIMM integration. So, this is part of your P2P process. P2P means procurement to payment. Procurement is all dealt by the people, and payment is done by the. So, here in accounts payable, we mostly deals with vendors, suppliers, creditors data for the purchases done. Now, normal transactions and special transactions. So here in accounts payable, we go with two types of transactions. One is normal transaction and other one is special transactions. What is normal transactions? Purchases made and payments done in any of the three modes. We were doing three modes payment kada, like standard, partial, residual. So those payment will also be done here also. So vendor ki manamu స్టాండర్డ్ లో పే చేయొచ్చు, రెసిడ్యూల్ లో పే చేయొచ్చు, పార్షల్ లో కూడా పే చేయొచ్చు. స్పెషల్ జిఎల్ transactions is all about your down payments and advances. So here we deal with three types of vendors: domestic vendor, international vendor, one time vendor. Now here we can create the vendor at three levels. One is company code level, purchase level, central level. Okay, write down the configurations. First configuration. First configuration. Yeah. The first configuration. Now, how did we define account group for our liabilities, assets, incomes, expenses? You remember? Like that, for you, if you, for example, if you are creating domestic vendor group, so you have to create one group code. That is the first step. Did you write? Define account group for screen layout. Define account groups with screen layout. OBD3, SPRO, IMG, financial accounting, accounts payable and accounts receivable, vendor accounts, master data, preparations for creating vendor master data. Now, new entries. Now here you can give account group code, any code for your domestic vendors. For example, CRDV, Crompton domestic vendors, or you can also write domestic vendor group for your company, Crompton. Okay, read up. Give the account. DV means domestic vendor. Give the account group code, any code, meaning double click on నా నంబర్ తీసుకోండి నిన్న కాల్ చేయొచ్చు వచ్చేది రోజు 9949 double click on company code data 099 522 22 double click on company code data double click on account management double click on company code data double click on account management select reconciliation account select reconciliation account cash management group select reconciliation account cash management group as required entry select reconciliation account cash management group as required entry save the data okay I'll continue in the next class Shiva garu మీకు కుదిరితే ఈ 2-3 hours లో మళ్ళీ ఒక లింక్ పెట్టాలి
పెట్టండి మేడం పెట్టి కాల్ చేసినా మెసేజ్ చేసినా లాగిన్ అవుతాను మేడం
okay so see you
ఓకే మేడం